start of car detailing in India? Guys, to answer this question, let me take you back a little in 2002 and 2003 when this all foreign companies started coming in India with their new brands or products. These services was brought along with them to offer like a bundling offer or an upgrade offer along with the sales of cars. Now that is how these came to India. Most popular services all over the world were like protection of your paint by using waxes or polymer coatings or maybe Teflon coatings, and these became popular in India. Now just to understand how dealership operates in India, they have a contractual operational nature, and just because of those kind of nature, their focus is more on sales of car. If you go back and realize a little bit of thing, if you can see the trends which has happened to car dealerships in India, accessories, your wheel balancing, alignment stores, your painting, denting, body shop, everything of these services of this nature, customer has started looking outside the dealership, and that is how those markets have also very developed in India. So similar thing happened to car detailing also, because there was lack of consistency in the quality, in the products and the professionalism shown towards car detailing in India. This industry also moved out. Customers started looking for some professional detail shops in India. 2006 was a time when these demands were gearing up. We as a CASPA also established around that period. We were one of the pioneers in establishing a full-fledged detail studio which is located outside the dealership to offer very good professional quality detailing services. To join this bandwagon, you can very well understand that when anything moves fast, there are trends in the market, waves in the market, people follow those waves. So car detailing was a new wave in the industry. There are many people joined this bandwagon, organized, unorganized players entered this market, and that is how the birth of car detailing happened in India. And now you can see there are plenty of car detailing stores in India.